What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a quick review of the taxable portfolio. It is at $93,560. We're getting close to hitting that $100,000 mark. We started off the year around $53,000. It's up to $93,000 now. We have some big movers in our portfolio. You can see domestic stock is 98%, foreign stock 1.7%, which is pretty much Alibaba. Starbucks, Nike, HD, Google, and FSPGX, which is the largest holding. Let's get into it. Down 4.41% year to date. So taking a look at it, we have a lot of green in this portfolio, which is great. We've been buying the dip and it's really paying off. Let's start off with Alibaba. That's 1.65% allocation. We're up $500 on that, up 53%. Kind of wish we added more at these lows when it was around, $80 per share. Now, looking at the FSPGX, we have over $50,000 in it. You have 48,430 in this and 3,000 right here. So we're about 51,000 invested right now. We're up 9%, which is a pretty nice gain of about $5,000. Google, we've been really allocating on it. You can see we have a cost basis of $160.41. And today's total gains, we are up about $262. So a lot of money invested in them, waiting for that to kind of pull together here. 12% of the portfolio. Home Depot, 5% of the portfolio, is down right now, collecting that nice dividend. Microsoft, we had a beautiful move on it. We added about 10 shares around, let's see here, around $357 per share, and we are up 21%, which is nice. Nike stock, we are down the most at 17. I am still allocating money to Nike position, even though it's down almost 20%. I'm trying to build this up to a 5% holding. Starbucks, we're at 4%. We're holding that $4,000 invested. And then Tesla, which is up nicely, up $1,500 on Tesla, tallying up to $93,560. Switching over to Gemini crypto portfolio, it is around almost $2,300, $2,400 right now. Looking at the last month, you can kind of see that it has been nice and stable around this area. We've been adding $100 every single Wednesday to this. Within 1 year, we started this in November of 2024. We are now in May, which is, a few months from there. You can see trading balances. We have $200 in US that we are planning on buying some more XRP, ETH, and Bitcoin. Currently, XRP is our biggest holding at 51%, almost 52%. We have $1,245. I'm going to continue buying to XRP as long as it's under $2.10. ETH, I will continue buying as long as it's under $1,600. And then AMP and Shiba, I'm going to keep them around 5% because I think they're very risky. And Bitcoin, I'm not going to add. I got these through the referrals, which was nice. And I'm going to continue to add to XRP and ETH to try to build this portfolio up. Just $100 every single Wednesday, tallying up to $400 per month.